Guys, it's your girl Tiffany and welcome back to my YouTube video. We're rocking our melanin shirt with a good little basic head wrap. Today we're going to be in today's video we're going to be doing an unboxing for my new camera. I'm going to tell you all about it, show you what's inside the box, and yeah, if you're interested in seeing this video, stay tuned. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, join the family. We do a bunch of weird stuff, even though I'm not weird. This is what it looks like when you open the box. Let's take out the camera itself. Here is the camera. It is the Canon EOS 4000D. I'm going to link down below because this is a bundle from Amazon. And my whole thing, if I buy cameras, I want something to come with it. Why not? So, yeah. There's 18 megapixels, ISO 6400. I shoot pictures. I don't know what that means. If this is something I've probably learned before, I'm sorry, I forget things. Then it says EOS Full HD movie, and then it says up to 3.0 frames per second, which 30 frames per second, don't know why I said it like that. And then it says Wi-Fi, and I actually did. This is the handbook to read on the road. I mean, while we're dealing with this life stuff going on, something to read. A cord. Okay, this looks like what's hooked up to my laptop, but I don't know. Under that flap is all this good looking stuff. But so what we have in here is, I'm guessing, some type of charger. It looks like this. We have that. It's a battery pack. I was right. We have the strap for it, wrapped up all cute and neat. We have a battery charger. I have a actual like little battery charger, rechargeable battery charger. This is to charge that battery for the camera. I'm excited just because my Sony camera didn't have a part you can change the lens on. Ooh, this looks nice. It looks all neat and clean. Okay. I just turned something. I guess this is the part that hooks to the camera. Ooh. And then you just pinch these and then you see your lens. Ooh, shiny. Neat. Canon zoom. It says Canon zoom lens EFS 18 to 55 millimeter. And yeah. Here I'm guessing is the body. And I think that's all that's in the box. But here's the body all packaged and wrapped up neatly. And this is how it looks. You could take that off. That's where the lens pops in at. Buttons at the top. You know, our flash thing. This is where you can put your little camera strap thing through. Over here, your little normal settings, I don't know what this is for. I don't remember. I haven't shot on my camera in a minute. And then there's a bunch of fun new buttons to learn how to use on here. HDMI cable part, so I guess you just flip it up, plug in your HDMI cable. On the other side, there's nothing, but there's a button right here. There's a part where pull it down, you enter your battery in that, your SIM card. This is where you can mount it to a tripod, whatever. There, snaps in like that. And this just is the focus. So that's how it looks overall. This is it all together. A lot bigger than my other camera, not gonna lie. Get into what else is in the bundle and play with that in a minute. Camera case, what I think looks really cool. Oh, it's like this. It's so cute. And I already like it other than my other camera case because that was a zip one. When I look inside, it looks like this. And then it's just something to separate your camera from your lens or whatever you have in here. There's actually a pocket right here. And it's just felt that sticks it together. I like to have a small flash, universal digital save flash looks like this in the box. I heard that these don't really work for real, but I'm still pretty new into photography, so I figured it wouldn't hurt. This is a mini flash. I thought it was gonna be bigger, but it comes with this thing. I guess you hook the flash on it, your camera on it somewhere, probably over here, and then I guess you hook the flash on it somewhere else. The flash goes over this way, and then you can hook your camera on it somewhere else. Put your camera on here and you can shoot with flash, whatever have you. I don't know. There's a manual thing on the back of it. I'm trying to keep everything with its stuff separated. Then we have a SD card, and it's a 32 gigabytes SD card. I gave my dad my old camera because he bought that one and he helped me buy this one. So I got a new SD card. So 32 gigabyte SD card. Here's a cute little mini tripod, and it's gray and black. So it just comes together like this. You separate it, whatever have you. And this moves or whatever. I guess pushing this makes it move a different way. Oh no, pushing this little thing takes off the camera, whatever. That's just the mini tripod. This is a lens cap keeper, I'm guessing. I don't know, never heard of it. But it just looks like this. High speed, high capacity, digital, micro, secure, digital reader / writer. I don't know what the secure, digital, micro, something to do with SD cards. We can look at it. Something for an SD card on this end, and the other one is a little HDMI cord chip. Not HDMI, guys. I don't know what it's called, but you plug a flash drive. I have some lens cleaning or microfiber cleaning wipes. I still have mine from the last camera. So I guess it's another battery, digital ultraviolet filter. I don't think I'm gonna use this just yet, but it's something for a lens, I'm guessing. That's all of the stuff I got in this bundle. The amount was $329. If you want to see how pictures come out with this and you live near me, book a photo shoot with your girl. I'll link my page down below. If you're interested in seeing more videos about my camera, comment them down below and I'll try to do them. Yeah, I guess I'll just talk to you guys later. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.